Let's understand the CAGR growth rate and how it is to be calculated. In this video, I have the data of Maruti Suzuki from 2014 till 2019. I also have data of net profit as well as sales. So let us use the Excel to calculate the growth rate over a period of 5 years and 3 years. For calculating 5 years, we need 6 years data, and to calculate 3 years growth rate, we need data of 4 years. In Excel, we need to use the power formula to calculate the growth rate in sales as well as net profit. So we need to type in power, take the latest year data divided by the base year or the oldest year and raise it to the power of 5 minus 1 and convert this into percentage format and increase one decimal point. So we have got a compounded growth rate in sales of 12.5% over a period of 5 years. Similarly, we can calculate the growth rate in sales over a period of 3 years by using the power function, taking the latest year data divided by the base year and raise it to the power of 3 because we want to calculate it for 3 years minus 1, and then convert this to the percentage format and increase one decimal point. So we have got a 16.3% growth rate in sales compounded over 3 years. Similarly, we can use the same formula to calculate the net profit growth rate, latest year divided by the base year and raising it to the power of 5 for 5 years minus 1. So it shows that the net profit has been growing from 2,400 to 7,880. That's a growth rate of 26.1% compounded over 5 years. To calculate growth rate over 3 years, we can use the same formula again. The latest year divided by the base year or the oldest year raised to the power of 3 for 3 years minus 1. And then converting this into percentage format and increasing one decimal point. So that's a 27.4% growth rate in profit over a period of 3 years. Thank you for watching this video.